No matter what the speed of your internet connection is and how close you place your router to your computer, you will rarely get the full speed consistently over Wi-Fi. That is because it depends on your router, how you have configured it, how far you are from the router, and what other interference is around you that can affect the signal. So if you want consistent speeds, it is better to use an Ethernet cable. But then the question is, how do you pick the right Ethernet cable? Let me explain. Today I have this Ethernet cable from Dubstep. It is a Cat6 cable. Cat6 is a category of Ethernet cable designed to handle high-speed network connections, including gigabit internet. So, if you are buying an Ethernet cable, make sure you check its CAT rating before you buy it. This particular cable supports speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, although 10 gigabits per second performance depends on the distance and the other hardware you are using. So this is a 1.5 meter cable. It is not ideal if your router is far away from your desk, but I specifically bought this one because I wanted a short cable that I could use to quickly test my internet connection and speeds. If you need a longer cable, I would suggest checking out Ethernet cable from Feedus, which is available in lengths from 1 meter all the way up to 250 meters. I recently upgraded to Airtel's 1 gigabit per second connection, which I will review soon. And now, let us connect this Ethernet cable to my Mac Mini M4 and see if I can get close to the full 1 gigabit per second speed. And as you can see, I'm getting around 915 megabits per second download and 920 megabits per second upload speed. That is pretty close to 1 gigabit per second connection I'm paying for. Now, here is a generic Ethernet cable I had, and in my testing, I barely got 300 megabits per second. And this is where the CAT rating becomes important. So before blaming your internet connection, make sure you are using properly rated Ethernet cable. But if you are using a generic or unrated cable and you are not getting the speeds you expect, replacing it with a properly rated Cat5e or Cat6 cable is one of the easiest things you can try. So, if you have a 1 gigabit per second internet connection, you do not need to spend a lot of money on Cat7 or Cat8 cables. A good quality Cat5e or Cat6 cable is more than enough for gigabit internet. And if you want some extra headroom for future upgrades, Cat6 is a good option. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.